The Dangote sugar rice issues closes in exactly 2 days, and everybody is talking about it. But very few investors actually understand what is happening. Some people believe this is a once-in-a-decade opportunity, while others think investors could be walking into a trap. So, should you buy? Should you ignore it? And what exactly does this mean for your money? By the end of this video, you will know whether the Dangote Right Issue deserves a place in your portfolio. I will give you my final verdict, and I'll also show you 2 ways you can buy it if you want to buy it. And trust me, what I'm about to review is going to shock you. Before we discuss Dangote issues specifically, let's understand what a rights issue actually means. A rights issue happens when a company offers its existing shareholders the opportunity to buy additional shares, usually at a discounted price. Think of it like this. Imagine you own a business with your friends and the business needs more money to expand. So instead of borrowing from the bank, the owners contribute additional money. This is essentially what a rights issue is. Companies do this for several reasons. Number one is expansion, debt reduction, acquisition of properties, strengthening cash flow, and contrary to what many beginners might think, a rights issue is not automatically bad. The next question most investors might be asking, why does Dangote need more money? Large corporations often require enormous amounts of capital in order to support the growth of the company. Fresh capital can help increase production capacity, finance expansion projects, improve operational efficiency, reduce borrowing costs, and for long-term investors, this is extremely important because companies that reinvest wisely often create substantial shareholder value over time. But, and this is a very important but, raising money only makes sense if management uses this word effectively. Now, let's talk about why some investors are excited about this rights issue. The first one is discounted shares price. Existing shareholders have the opportunity to buy shares below the market price. Right now, they are buying for about 60 naira, but when it started, the initial market price was about 80 naira. So that's a huge discount. The second one is long-term growth. If the funds are invested wisely, profits could grow significantly over time. The third one is potential dividend growth. Stronger earnings can eventually translate into higher dividends. And the fourth one is strong brand. Dangote is the most recognized corporate brand in Africa, with businesses spanning across multiple sectors. These are some of the reasons bullish investors are optimistic. But then again, don't forget that no investment is without risk. And the risks are, number one, share dilution. If existing shareholders do not participate, their share percentage might decrease. The next one is execution risk. Raising money is easy, but using the money effectively is much harder. The next one is market volatility. Share prices can fluctuate significantly. Then we have the next one, economic factors, inflation, exchange rates, interest rates, and government policies can affect profitability. This is why buying blindly any stock simply because it belongs to a big company is never a good strategy. So, is it a must buy? Here is where things become interesting. If you are a long-term investor who believes in the company's future and understands the risk involved, participating in the current rights issue could make sense. However, if you are looking for quick profits or don't understand how rights issues work, then pushing in without proper research could be dangerous. Remember, a great company doesn't always mean a great investment at every price. Price matters. Timing matters, and your investment goals actually matters. Now I'm going to show you how to buy the rights issues using the Bamboo app. So if you're using the Bamboo app, in order for you to be able to do this, you need to update your app. Yes, Bamboo just launched a new feature. So you need to update your app in order for you to be able to buy these rights issues. So once you have updated your app, you go ahead and open your app. You're going to see it showing here. NGS primary offers, you are seeing it at the front. So you click on it, look at it. Invest in new shares, offering everything, IPOs, everything. Click on proceed. Then look at it. Dangote Right Issues is showing there at 60 naira. So you click on it. Then you click on subscribe. Now, once you do that, you click the number of shares you want, review order, and everything. Look at the price and everything is showing there. You click on place order, and that's it, as simple as that. You've been able to buy sugar rights issues. Now, let me go ahead and show you the second way. In case you're not using Bamboo app, let me show you the second way. Everybody can use it. Even if you have the Bamboo app or not, you can use this method. Let me show you now. Now, the second method is to use the NGX platform. Now, if you want the link to this that platform, how to do it, go ahead and comment link in the comment section, and I will send it directly to you, because there are a lot of links, and I'm sure you don't want to use the wrong one or the one that you not find your share. So if you want this exact one, go ahead and comment link in the comment section, and I'll send it directly to you. So if you're a new investor here on the NGX platform, go ahead and click on invest now. Once you click on the invest now, look at it here, click on invest now. Once you see, they're going to show returning investor or new investor. So if you don't have an account with them already, you are a new investor, you go ahead and click on new investor. They are going to show you this. I've already done this, so I can't do the process all over again. But for you, you go ahead and click your clearinghouse number. You have it already, your clearinghouse number, you put it, every other details, your name, your email address, everything, go ahead and input it. Once you are done, you are going to be able to buy the Dangote Right Issue. Very, very easy. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section, and I'm going to attend to you as fast as I can. So if you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because on this channel we break down the Nigerian stock market and show you how to build wealth through smart investing. And remember, money works harder when you make informed decisions. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and see you in our next video. Bye.